Hello there, sixth grade. You may have thought that you were going to see Miss Seagala today, but you are in fact seeing me. Mwahaha. We have more math to do today, so we're going to go ahead and start up on this page. And so let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to take notes on these two columns, so this one right here and this one over here together. You can go ahead and do it under the part that says scratch work. Otherwise, just go ahead and use the space you've got. Oh, I can make myself bigger. The more you know. Over here, you can copy and paste these. Just like boop, copy and paste to take notes on, but to use on the side if you'd like. However, for the moment, you won't need to use them until a moment or two from now. So anyway, to get started, we are going to be doing true or false statements like you guys did the other day, just that we are going to be doing a little bit of the harder columns. So again, just this one over here and this one over here. So we're going to start with this one. And it says, I'm going to get my little eraser. It says G over 2 is greater than 2. And we need to plug in a number for G and find out whether or not that number divided by 2 is in fact greater than 2. If it is not, we are going to write down false. If it is, we will write down true. If you are confused, don't worry. We're going to keep on going. So over here by scratch work, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the number 8 for G. I'm going to do 8 divided by 2. All right, well, when I do 8 divided by 2, and you can just use a dash because including the actual fraction symbol is a little bit difficult. So 8/2, so 8 divided by 2 equals 4. We know that. And 4, if we plug it back into our original problem, 4 is in fact greater than 2. So that is true. So over here, I would just type the letter T. On to the next one. So now for G, we are plugging in 4. Well, if I do 4 divided by 2, I get 2. Plug that back into my inequality statement. Is 2 greater than 2? No, it is not. So that would be false. Oh, you can't see it that much, but it's an F. It's a capital F. All right, moving forward. So then if we keep going, our next number is 2. If we do 2 divided by 2, we get 1. Is 1 greater than 2? No. So false. We put an F. All right, keep on going. Now we're plugging in 0 for G. So we do 0 divided by 2. 0 - 2. If we have nothing and we divide it by 2, we still have nothing. We still have 0. If we plug it back into our inequality statement, 0 is greater than 2. No, it's not. If I have 0 and Thomas the train has 2, I have less than Thomas the train. So false. And I put an F. You could type out the word false. I just was putting capital T or F. It's a little quicker. On to the next one. So if I have 10, following my column, 10, and I plug that in for G, then I'd have 10 divided by 2, which gives me 5. Is 5 greater than 2? Yes, it is. So that's a true statement. I can put true. So you're going to be doing that with these two columns on your own, but we're going to do one more together. So this symbol over here is the same one as this one over here, and that is greater than or equal to. So we're going to be looking for the left number to be either a number that is greater than 8 or equal to 8. So let's go ahead and try that out. So if we plug in 8 for G, and I'm just copying and pasting the symbol, it should be right over here. 8 is greater than or equal to 8. Well, 8 is not greater than 8, but it is equal to 8. If I have 8 on one hand and 8 on the other hand, they are equal amounts. So this symbol allows us to do that. So this could be true. All right, on to the next one. If I plug in 4 for G, is 4 greater than or equal to 8? No, it is neither greater than nor is it equal to 8. If I have 4, not equal or greater than 8, so that is false. Next one, if I plug in 2, is 2 greater than or equal to 8? No. 2 is less than 8, and it is not equal to 8. So that is false. Next one. All right, we have 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 8? No, it is not. So that is another false statement. All right, moving on. Our last one is 10. Is 10 greater than or equal to 8? Well, 10 is a greater number. It's not equal to 8, but it is greater. So this statement would be true. So this is what you are going to be doing on your own. You're going to do this column and this column all by yourself. So T or F in all of the columns. This should be filled out. This should be filled out. There should be some beautiful scratch work over here. And then you are free to go and, well, I don't know what you guys are up to, but I'd love to know. So if you guys want to leave a little comment at the bottom about what you're doing in your speaker notes, I'd love to hear from you guys. You guys are so missed. You are loved, and we hope to see you guys soon. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and message us. If not, goodbye and see you Tuesday.